Pregnancy is a miraculous process for women. As such, it's so important to honor yourself and the baby during this time because you can have a huge impact on your baby. Pregnancy is a time when you're intimate with your baby and share a lifeline through the umbilical cord. The mother's thoughts, disposition, and emotions creates vibrations in the body and is communicated through the baby, so much so that it can alter the baby's DNA and ultimately its personality. The baby's tendency to be anxious, fearful, daring, courageous, shy, introverted, etc. are all related to genetics, but also the mother's disposition during pregnancy. So it matters. So yoga and pregnancy. Yoga is considered a way of life. Yoga means to yoke or unite our spirit with our God. Yogis believe that there are three bodies in the human body. First body is a physical body. This is the tangible body, what we can see, define, and name. This is the realm that most physicians and healthcare practitioners operate from. And then there's the subtle body. This is the body that involves our intangible mind and emotions. It encompasses the chakra energy in the body as the mind creates thoughts and thoughts create emotions. Emotions then create vibrations in the body to produce good energy or bad energy. Then there's the causal body. This is the spirit body which transcends our body, mind, and emotions. This is the body beyond form. Here in the West, we've lost the mind-body-spirit connection. We tend to be more physically oriented and believe in seeing the effects of our being as opposed to believing in the unseen. But the truth is that so much more happens in the unseen. This is where it would be so powerful for a woman to realize their own power and influence that they have over their growing child in their womb. Pregnancy and health go far beyond the physical act of eating right and exercising. It extends to the mother's thoughts and emotions that send vibrations, like I said, to the baby as a message which creates a blueprint for the baby. There are tremendous amounts of hormonal shifts during pregnancy. There's a lot happening in your body. Hormones are shifting and regulating to support really the baby. Estrogen levels increase during pregnancy and reach their peak in the third trimester. Also, progesterone levels are high during pregnancy, which allows for the joints to loosen in preparation for the baby to grow and ultimately exit the mother's womb. Physiological changes can make the mom moody at times, but through yoga, a mom can find balance back into her body to create connection with her own body and her baby. 3 ways to nourish your body and yourself. First is yoga and meditation. When you're practicing yoga, you're consciously making a connection with your baby. This is because you are moving with your breath and tuning inward. Physically, you'll be stronger, fitter, and more flexible. Emotionally, you'll feel more calm and joyful. Spiritually, you'll feel elevated. Practice at least 3 times a week with a trained yoga teacher in pregnancy who can lead you in your practice appropriately. Second is breathing. Lung capacity will decline as the baby grows. This is because as the baby gets bigger, it'll start to press up against the lungs to make it harder to breathe. Learning to breathe silently will help you to oxygenate your cells, especially your brain cells, as well as the baby's, to ensure effusion of oxygen into its cells as well. Third is eating a healthy diet. A diet rich in nutrients is key. We often hear pregnant women eating for 2. That doesn't mean you can have all the junk foods you shouldn't have. 500 more calories a day is plenty to nourish your baby, and if you are overweight to begin with, it's a good idea to watch your weight as you can get diabetes and cause risks to your baby, and you don't want a big baby either. I hope this was helpful. Please share this video with anyone you know who is currently pregnant or trying to become pregnant. Please subscribe to our newsletter on alkalinewellness.com and our YouTube channel, Dr. Connie. Also like us on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest at Alkaline Wellness. Talk to you soon.